Welcome to our culinary adventure. Tonight, we travel to two different continents, two distinct cultures, united by one love food. In the heart of Lagos, Nigeria, Chef Adeola prepares to wow us with the legendary jollof rice. Her kitchen is alive with the scent of sizzling onions and fiery Scotch bonnet peppers. Across the globe, on the beautiful island of Tonga, Chef Malachi is ready with his secret recipe for ota ika, a refreshing raw fish salad marinated in coconut milk and lime. The air is thick with the aroma of coconut and the tang of citrus. Get ready for a culinary showdown, a delicious exploration of Nigerian and Tongan flavours. It's more than just a competition, it's a celebration of culture, heritage, and the power of food to connect us all. Nigerian and Tongan cuisines are rich tapestries of flavours, each with its own unique ingredients and cooking methods. In Nigeria, dishes like jollof rice start with sautéing onions, tomatoes, and a blend of spices. In Tonga, taro is often cooked with coconut milk, creating a creamy base. Both cuisines fill the air with inviting aromas, but the scents are distinct, savoury and spicy for Nigeria, sweet and nutty for Tonga. The secret to Nigerian jollof rice lies in slow cooking, while Tongan lupulu, a dish of corned beef and taro leaves, also benefits from a slow simmer. In Nigeria, rice is coated in a rich tomato-based sauce. In Tonga, food is often wrapped in banana leaves before cooking, infusing it with a unique flavour. Hours later, the jollof rice is ready, each grain infused with vibrant spices. Similarly, Tongan dishes emerge from the oven, rich with the flavours of coconut and taro. These are the tastes of home, whether in Nigeria or Tonga. Each bite tells a story of culture and tradition.
The ocean is our lifeblood, and ota ika is the ocean on a plate.
He combines the tuna with diced cucumbers, tomatoes and red onions, creating a colourful symphony of fresh ingredients. The tangy aroma of lime juice fills the air as he squeezes fresh limes over the fish. Finally, he pours over a generous helping of thick, creamy coconut milk.
The coconut milk adds a touch of sweetness and richness that balances the tanginess of the lime.
Chef Malachi beams with pride.
This dish is the essence of Tonga, simple, fresh, and full of flavor.
Section 4. Culinary traditions, from ancient roots to modern plates. Both Nigerian and Tongan cuisines are deeply rooted in their respective histories and environments. Nigerian cuisine reflects its diverse geography and ethnicities. From the spicy stews of the south to the hearty grain-based dishes of the north, Nigerian food is a vibrant tapestry of flavors. Tongan cuisine, on the other hand, is heavily influenced by the bounty of the Pacific Ocean. Fish, coconut, root vegetables, and tropical fruits are staples in Tongan cooking, creating dishes that are both flavorful and refreshing. Despite their geographical distance, both cuisines share a common thread: an emphasis on fresh, locally sourced ingredients and a deep respect for culinary traditions passed down through generations. Section 5. The grand tasting, a meeting of flavors and cultures. The stage is set, the dishes are plated, and the moment of truth has arrived: the grand tasting. Our panel of judges, representing a fusion of cultures and palates, eagerly await the culinary journey ahead.
The first bite of Chef Adeola's jollof rice is met with gasps of delight. The flavors are incredible.
Spicy, smoky, and so aromatic.
Chef Malachi's ota ika is equally well received. So fresh and vibrant, a judge remarks. The coconut milk and lime are a match made in heaven.
As the judges savor each dish, a lively discussion ensues. They compare textures, flavors, and the stories behind each culinary masterpiece. Section 6. Food, the universal language. At the end of the tasting, one thing is clear. Food has the power to transcend borders and connect people from different worlds. Chef Adeola and Chef Malachi, though separated by continents and cultures, find common ground in their passion for cooking and their pride in their heritage. This culinary battle, rather than dividing, has united. It has reminded us that food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of life, culture, and the shared human experience. So, the next time you encounter a dish from a different culture, embrace it with an open mind and an adventurous palate. You never know what delicious discoveries await.